This is going to take you through the thinking multiplication tool. This task will assess your understanding of how to solve multiplication problems. So first of all, you're going to turn a word problem into an equation. Solve it without a calculator by using the multiplier tool to show your thinking. So there's going to be 4 problems, and your answer will be saved to a report that you can view at the end of the activity. So before you start, let's enter our names. So the question reads, the recycling plant has recycled 6 crates of plastic each day for the last 18 days. How many crates is that? So down here, we're going to turn this word problem into an equation. So the recycling plant has recycled 6 crates of plastic each day for the past 18 days. So there is our equation. 6 times 18. So let's try to just work this out in our head. 6 times 18, I think that is 124. Let's see if I'm right. Oh, that is not correct. 6 times 18. So we're going to use this multiplier tool. And what this allows us to do is it allows us to break down 6 by 18 into 2 smaller equations, or 3 smaller equations, or 4 smaller equations. So let's see what's easiest. So 6 times 10 and 6 times 8. What we can do is we can break this down even more, or here. But what we're going to do for this time is just break it down into 2 for the video. So 6 times 10 equals 60. And 6 times 8 equals 48. And what this has done is it's broken down the equation 6 times 18 equals 60 plus 48. So if we do 60 plus 48, we get 108. Let's see if that's right. That's correct. So now it allows us to work out which of the following shows how you solve the problem. Did you just do 18 times 6 equals 108? We used this one here. We worked out that 6 times 10 and got 60, and then we worked out 6 times 8 and got 48. And we added 60 and 48 together and got 108. What I've done is I've gone ahead and done the 4 equations, and now I'm showing you what happens after you've done the 4. So you'll come up with this screen and it'll say you've finished all the problems. View your report to see how you did. So you can view your report, and in here it will take you through what happened in your first one. So you identified the equation correctly, but at first I answered it incorrectly when I put in 456. So then I worked out a strategy with the multiplier tool, and I worked out that it was 133. And it goes through the second one as well, and you can go to the next page and it goes through the third one and the fourth one. And then what we can do is we can print our report, and so that the teacher can have a report from each student that has done this. So if you can print out your report afterwards, your teacher would be much appreciated.